Good morning, everyone. I am Ramesh Kumar, working as an English BRT at Vepanapalli BRC in Krishnagiri district. I am going to tell you a new app. In this app, you can get to know the English phonetics. There are 44 sounds in English phonetics. Here, the 44 sounds, how to pronounce that, you can come to know and you can practice it in this app. Let us see that. Yeah, okay. Go to Play Store. You can get English Phonetics Learning app. If you type that, you can get many apps are there. Here, I'll introduce a good app that you can easily practice well. British Council app, Learn English Sounds Right. I have already installed, so it is showing open. So I am opening that. You see here, the first upward you can see 12 monophthongs are there. 12 monophthongs, and downward diphthongs are there. 8 diphthongs are there, and consonant 24 consonants are there. Yeah, here if you touch the each sound, it can sound. Now I am going to touch the first sound here.
E, A, E, I, U, E,
Now I am going to touch diphthongs.
O, ow, A, I, oi,
Consonants. Now you can see consonants now.
Ch, J, S, S, Sh, Sh, K, G,
Yeah. So now if you download this app and install this app, you can touch each sound and you can hear how it is pronouncing. Then you can easily get to know how to pronounce the sound. Thank you all.